this is another handheld stitcher, and this is the Sunbeam. And let me just show you how this works. Very well, very simple. This is distributed by Smart Tech. It doesn't say it's made by them, but it says it's distributed by them. And yet I think it's closer to the Singer in quality, which is good. So that is how it sews. It's by Sunbeam. And let me pick up the camera and show you what you can do. This is, like I said, the stitcher by Sunbeam. This one is black. It's not quite as heavy as the vintage Handy Stitch, but it is thicker plastic than the Smart Tech. This is the box. It's number SB011. Now, purchased alone, they're the same as the Singer price range, between $9.99, $12.99. Some people will try to get $20. I like it. I like it. It sews well. It takes the shorter needle of 24x1, so that makes it a little bit of an advantage over the Singer. Comes with good directions. Now, let's see what they also make, which I had not seen that the other manufacturers make. This is called the Sunbeam Sewing Kit, number SB18. I think. I don't have my glasses on. SB18. This is a wonderful little sewing kit for about $11.99. 12 bobbins, safety pins, hook and eyes, buttons, very good thread snips, very cheap scissors, but you might be able to use them if you're using scrapbooking. Snaps, tape measure, seam ripper, the most adorable pin cushion ever. Look at this. I love tomato pin cushions. This is a keeper. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, actually 13 spools of thread, which I either took one out or maybe put one in. But in this box right now, there are 13 spools of thread. And then you get more of, there's less thread on them, but they go with a handheld stitcher. The other ones will fit on there too. Wonderful, wonderful set, $11.99. Now, so for about under $25, you can get this sewing kit and the handheld stitcher, and these make a wonderful Christmas gift. They really do. For anybody that sews only once in a while, anybody who actually sews a lot and knows already how they would use a chain stitcher for traveling, this set is perfect for traveling. I may have to pack some stuff in a backpack and be ready to go. This makes a wonderful backpack sewing machine. I was going to take a Model 20 with me if I have to go out on the road, and I'm thinking, you know, the Model 20s are antiques. I don't know if I want to do that. So this, even if I keep them in the boxes, these are much more luggage friendly or backpack friendly. Then if you add squares, batting, and some backing, you could give somebody, the whole thing makes a wonderful Christmas present. You could give someone enough squares to make a 9-patch pillow, and either batting to make a flat pillow front, or stuffing to stuff the pillow, and a backing fabric. It makes a wonderful Christmas gift altogether. And The quality of this, I think, is about equal to the Singer, as I said, or the Handy Stitch. But I do think my Handy Stitch is vintage, and I haven't bought a current new Handy Stitch yet, so I'm not sure if they're all closer to this. Both the Singer and the Sunbeam have better plastic than the Smart Tick did, and their spool pins are stronger. So this is the Sunbeam set. It sews wonderfully right out of the box. This doesn't come with it, but you buy it separately. But it's a wonderful little sewing kit. One of the best little sewing kits I've seen put together by anybody. So this is the Sunbeam Handheld Sewing Machine and the Sunbeam Sewing Kit.